Aww.
Love
I
you.
love you.
Who's my baby?
Me.
How much you love mommy?
A lot.
A lot?
How
much?
How many stars are in the sky?
Wow.
How many plants are in the sky? How many animals are in the sky?
How many animals in the sky?
How many animals are on this earth? How many planets? On how every ant in the world.
Okay. That's a lot.
Yeah.
How many stars? How many animals? That's a lot. That's like a universe to me. Ako, I love you.
Every single ant.
Every single ant in the world.
I think there's like 1
Billion.
trillion.
Trillion. It's in how much you love mommy. Oh, thank you, anak. Thank you, my baby, for loving mommy so much. What I have done for you to love me that much?
Nothing.
Nothing. Who's your best friend?
You know.
You know. Who's your best
I'm
friend?
right next to her.
Me? I'm your best friend. I'm your best friend. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
What's your best memory of mommy?
Every single one.
Wow. Every single one.
Besides you hitting me.
Pagpalo ikaw.
Yeah. Besides that.
Pag kulit. Pag makulit, papalo.
Which is 90% of the memories.
90%. My baby boy loves me so much. Bye.
Bye.